Yeah, so I think the acquisition serves a few different purposes. Number one, they have local licenses, both brokerage and also exchange, both from the central bank and also from the SEC. Both are very extremely valuable to us. And especially as we become a more licensed entity, a licensed financial entity. So acquiring existing licenses, especially with the existing team, so that they have the expertise with the local knowledge, and we don't have to hire individual people separately and then apply for a license. The licensing part helps us. Overall, generally, we are looking at traditional financial services companies, be it payment
For
service.
example, like traditional banks or
Yes.
Payment company,
Yes.
what sorts of?
Yes, so exactly what you said. Banks, payment services companies, or any other e-wallets, etc. in the traditional fiat space. We view ourselves as the bridge between crypto and the traditional, what we call the traditional financial world. So in order to build this bridge, we have to have foothold on both sides. So we are the crypto exchange, but we also need to have traditional financial services capabilities built into us. So we're looking at acquisitions of this type all across the world. And Brazil is a very, very key market for us. Yeah, Brazil in Latin America is by far the biggest. There's no question there. In the world, it's sometimes top 10, sometimes top 15, sometimes top. It has also like depending on the day, it fluctuates a little bit. So overall, I would say it's a top 10 market. So out of 180 countries in the world, it's a very significant one. I did read about this, saying that there are more investors in crypto than there are in stock markets in Brazil, which is quite interesting because I think it speaks to the number one, the knowledge or the progressiveness of the Brazilian people. I think Brazilians have a younger population, or at least the younger population is very active. So, and they are relatively well educated financially compared to other countries. And because they're more active, and then they're more active looking for different investment opportunities. It's possible that they are not able to get the same type of investment opportunities in the traditional financial world, and there are just more new opportunities in the crypto world. And crypto does bring a lot of freedom in terms of people are able to invest in projects globally, and also local projects can attract investments from global investors here. So I think both of those happens, and I think this speaks to the fact that crypto does offer a higher degree of freedom, higher degree of ease of transactions, and higher degree of and also lower fees. So I think all those three things combined, it's just easier for most younger people to look into crypto instead of stock markets.